Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings, and giveaways. I've always got some sort of giveaway going on. I do a monthly palette giveaway, and for the month of June, it is the Ish I'm Smoking Hot palette. I will put a link in the description box down below. It'll take you to the video that will tell you all about how to enter for this. And this is giveaways going on through the end of June. And then I've got some big ones coming up for 100th video. I've put a ton of stuff aside, so I've got that video that's going to be up shortly, as well as when this channel hits 200 subscribers. We've got a really big one, and I'm super excited for it, so help us get there. If you are not familiar with CAUSEBOX, CAUSEBOX ships out seasonally. So every 4 months it'll ship out. It ships out in March and June, September, and December. And what I love about CAUSEBOX, $49. Everything in here is cruelty free. It's sustainable. Some of the best socially conscious brands out there. And it's got over $200 worth of product in it. So let's find out what's in this box. So it always comes with a little magazine that talks about the different products in here. How beautiful is this Caftan cover-up? You could easily use this in multiple ways as a cover-up, as a towel, as a scarf. All sorts of different ways. So here's got the back to you. And then here's what it kind of looks like down here with the little fringe detail. So it's by Live. It's endlessly versatile caftan that can be worn from the beach to brunch, inspired by the CAUSEBOX community and handcrafted by artisans in India. This does retail for $118. It does come in 3 different colors: a seafoam, a nautical, and a sunburst. I think this will be great for laying out by the pool, going to have a mimosa with friends at brunch. Cute! Here is a Quagga green wet swim pouch, and it says today is a good day. And then it's completely waterproof, so you can put your swimsuit in here. If you have gym bag, clothes at the gym, you can put that in here. And it's just great. Even the zipper, is all, so the water can't get out. Love this. So this is a wet bikini pouch made from 100% recycled fabric with CAUSEBOX artwork designed by French artist Melanie Johnson. How cute is that? This does retail for $25. All CAUSEBOXes come with a postcard that features an artist on them. So this one, exclusive 5x7 art print, which doubles as a postcard. Australian artist and summer box designer Antra Svarcs. How cute is that? This retails for $10. How cute is this tote for the summer? And it even comes with a blue tassel that you can kind of hook on to your thing. I'll show a picture of that. So this is a gorgeous straw tote that screams summer, designed exclusively for the summer box. Proceeds from this product support ocean conservation initiatives across the world. It does retail for $50. Look at a lot of use. From Reduce Every Day is their insulated drink tumbler from a brand dedicated to replacing every disposable product with an improved, durable, and reusable alternative. This retails for $12.99, and it keeps your drink in and everything else out because it has a lid. It is 12 hours of cold time. It has a dual wall stainless steel, and I like the dual walls because you can hold on to it and it's not freezing cold when you put it onto it, even though you have ice in there that's going to last for 12 hours. It's shatterproof, vacuum insulated. Cute. I can have a little wine, have a little rosé on the back porch in this. Love it. You know that scrunchies are all in for summer. So you have like a pink one, a yellow, and a white one. A set of scrunchies just in time for activity-filled summer. For every product branded sells, 3 meals are donated to children in need. That is awesome. So this retails for the 3 of them together, retails for $10. By All Good is the high-performance sunscreen without common ingredients that damage, bleach, or the coral reefs. Organic ingredients, planet-friendly, and great for your skin. Love, love, love. This retails for $15.99. A lot of use out of this summer. Lastly, by Hanalei is you had your choice of 2 different items in here. Skincare products inspired by Hanalei. Both products are great summer skin and contain some of our favorite botanicals. You had your choice between the Papaya Enzyme Powder Face Cleanser, retails for $35, or the Island Aloe Gel, retails for $35. I obviously chose the Aloe Gel. It's great for, you know, after you have a little bit of sun, put some on, and it instantly cools down the face. Love this, gonna get use out of this. Total price of this box, or you add all the value up, $256.98. Incredible. My favorite things are probably the Tote and also the Caftan. Love, cannot wait to use these. What items were your favorites? Let me know in the comments down below. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. It does mean a lot to me when you like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.